Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're going to talk about land stock, or ticker symbol LAND. I'm going to show you how you can play off of the dividends that they give monthly and how you can make money every single month, not only on dividends, but buying low and then selling high to increase your profits over time. It starts right now. But first off, guys, if you haven't watched this channel before, I talk about all things stocks. And if you would like these daily videos, then please subscribe to the channel, click the little bell so you don't miss any of my notifications, and smash that like button, guys, because it helps for this video to get found for many other people just like you. So, what is land? Let's go over that first. Let's go over some brief history about what LAND stock actually is. And then for everyone who watches my channel and is subscribed, they all know that I love real estate investment trust, or REITs. Now, REITs have to pay out 90% of their dividends to their shareholders, and most of them pay monthly dividends. Now, this company was listed in 2013. And if we go over some of their financials, you can see that they're a little bit negative on their income right now. Their earnings per share is just a slightly lower than normal. They have been in the positive range before in the past. And as you can see, their balance sheets are actually quite higher than their estimated balance sheets. Cash flow is actually pretty decent. And if we go into their income statement, you can also see where they are as far as income, revenue, and their operating income, balance sheets, as well as their cash flow for operating, investing, and financing. Now, that's just the financials. What I really like to look at are the recommendations, which right now it's recommended it's a buy from 6th analyst. Also, the analyst price target right now is saying that there is a high of 20. There is an average of 17.14, which it's already passed, and a low of 15. Now, we can play off this. There's room to make money here. Now, before I did this video, the company was trading at $18.15. It is now down to $17.95. As you can see on the support and the resistance levels here, it is overbought. It has passed the resistance level, but it's also created a new high, which means there might be a new higher low, but that doesn't mean it's not going to come down. Now, let's talk about the company. Let's look at some of this right here. So, as you can see, all these little marks here, they have an earnings call here, which was a surprise of 8% increase. They paid a dividend in May. They paid a dividend in June, another one in June. And as you can see, each dividend that was paid out, it's actually has a slight dip. Right here, another dividend in July. Another one in September. So actually it looks like they're doing it every 2 months on these. November here. Or actually, no, it is monthly. It is monthly. It's 4 cents per month. They recently just had one on January 21st. Now let's look at this one. Let me go in a little bit on the charts. So I'm pretty sure the earnings was right around here. We said the 26th, didn't we? Was it the 26th? So it was the 21st. So, as you can see right here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so we could see this. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. All right. So, it got to a high on December 16th of around $17.92. Okay, about $18. Or actually, it looks like $15.50. Had a dividend released, and of course it's going to go down because that's usually what happens. It went down to 14, and it slowly went up over the next, say month. And then right here, before it released a dividend, it looks like before it was released, it got up to $17, dropped all the way down to 15.27, and then pulled all the way back up to 18.50, which was the high, and now it is going back down. It is at 17.88. Now, you can literally use this company to print you money every single month. Now, not only through dividends, which is 4 cents a share. So, I mean, if you had 100 shares, you wouldn't get very much, probably about $4. But if we're talking 1,000 shares, that's $40 a month. 10,000 shares, that's $400 a month. But not only that, what if you bought low? Now let's talk about that. If you bought at $15.50 when you saw the dip, and you sold today at $18, which wasn't even the high, by the way, you would have made a $2.50 profit on every share you bought, on every single share. So, I mean, we're talking about making some potential money here over and over and over again. Now, if you had 100 shares that was able to not only pay you 4 cents, you'd make $4. That's nothing impressive. But if you had 100 shares and you made $2.50 off of each one, that's $250 that you can make in less than a few days. This is the 28th of January, and we are doing this video now on the 10th of February. So 10 days. So that was a 10-day trade or swing trade, but you could have made $250 off of 100 shares, which would only be $150. So you can make $250 off of $150, and you can do this over and over again. Now, I have set my alerts to notify me when this stock goes down to $16. I've also set it for when it reaches below $15.50 and $15 if it happens. Now, I doubt that it's going to go all the way back down to the $14 mark. I believe we've already missed that one. But with that said, they've had a 1-year low of $9.61. Now, we all know what that was because of. Of course, that was because of the virus and the pandemic going on around the world. What stock didn't drop at that time. But if you want a company that at least you know, for a beginner, that if I invest in this company, it will go up. It might take a few months, it might take a year, but this is a strong company. It is a real estate investment trust, which means these companies have millions, if not billions of dollars at their fingertips. They hold huge asset portfolios on residential properties, commercial properties, land acquisition. I mean, you name it, they probably own it. Now, with that said, this would be a great play because, as you can see, it is up almost. Now, let's just do the indication right away because I don't want to guess and then someone will be like, well, Johnny, that's not exactly how much they made. They made way more than that. And let me actually fix it right here. Let's just take it from that time, that point right here, since I can't see past this little angle here. There we go. Could have made, come on, 75%. 75% in 1 year buying that dip at $9. Now, what does that really mean? Well, it doesn't really mean a whole lot. But if you can track this little trend and it stays going up, now this is what I like to do. I like to take the lows and then go for the highs. There's my line now. And basically that's going to be my indicator line that it's showing it's gradually going above and beyond this. Now there's tons of different lines. Of course, you got your MACD indicator line and your RSI, which is showing overbought, which is great because if you can see right here, it's showing overbought at the 73 point, and then it drops down to a 52, and now it's back up to I believe that's right around the 72 mark. So this company also has pretty good volume going on, and I believe this company still has a room to go up to 20. But look for that pullback first to about $16, and then lock those profits in at like the $20 range, or hold long term and then just add more to your position when it dips to average down that cost. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I do videos like this every single day. And let me know what you think about the new condenser mic. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.